Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard factory reset on an Ecobee Smart Thermostat. You might want to do this for a couple reasons. You might just be having too many issues with it glitching or something like that, and sometimes just a fresh start will fix a lot of those things. But you also might have moved into a house that has one of these, and instead of just trying to undo all the settings and everything like that, you can just restart it to its default settings, and then you can go from there. It's pretty easy to do. With the smart thermostat on, we're going to go down here to this hamburger menu here. We're going to click on the hamburger menu, and from the hamburger menu, then we're going to go and it will open this menu, and we're going to go to the settings menu, and we're going to click on settings, and then from the settings menu, then we have this reset button. We'll just click on this reset. Once we click the reset, there's one more button to push. It'll ask you to click yes to confirm that you actually want to reset it. And then it will put everything back to its default settings, and you can go from there.